Butterfly shrimp with Dorblu cheese. Pick about 2.5 kilograms, 5.5 pounds of large shrimp and rinse them thoroughly under cold water. Remove the heads. Butterfly the shrimp. Remove the vein and rinse thoroughly under cold water. Take about 150 grams, 5 ounces of softened butter and mash it well. Add about 300 grams, 10.5 ounces of Dorblu blue cheese. Mix everything together until well combined. Add finely chopped parsley or cilantro, whichever you prefer. Add 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Stuff each shrimp with the cheese mixture and arrange them on a baking sheet. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. Enjoy! Drizzle the cooked shrimp with fresh lemon or lime juice if desired. Enjoy your meal. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you in the next video.